Inflation does not just raise prices at the store, it quietly eats away at the value of your savings. So, how do you protect what you have worked so hard for? Rising inflation is one of the biggest threats to long term savings because it reduces the purchasing power of every dollar you own. Gold, however, has a track record of keeping pace with or even outperforming inflation. The Why Precious Metals Guide shows that during periods of high inflation, like the 1970s when prices were soaring, gold climbed over 1,000%. Even in the 2008 financial crisis, when uncertainty spiked, gold more than doubled. That history makes it clear. Gold isn't just a shiny metal. It's a tool investors have used to help maintain real value when the dollar weakens. This is why many see it as a safeguard against the hidden effects of inflation. I've linked the guide in the description so you can explore these examples yourself. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Silver Scheme Report, each created to give you practical insights into diversifying and protecting your savings. Download the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle today to see how gold has historically countered inflation and how that insight can help you protect your future purchasing power. You can grab the full bundle using the link down below.